Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt donuts, full guide. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F or heat oil to 350 degrees F. Then combine 1 cup yogurt, 2 cups flour, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, and a pinch of salt into a smooth dough. Mix gently until just combined to keep the donuts tender. Chill the dough briefly if sticky. Then prepare your surface for cutting rounds or scooping donuts for frying. Start by lightly flouring your work surface and turn the dough out. Pat the dough to a thickness of about 3-5 inches and use a 2-5-inch cutter for uniform donuts or scoop tablespoon-sized portions for drop donuts. Keep edges rough for a rustic look. If frying, transfer carefully to avoid splashes. If baking, place on a lined tray with space between each piece. Let them rest briefly before cooking for even rise. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion when you bake or fry in a hot kitchen. I find it keeps me sipping between steps and saves cleanup when hands are messy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. When frying, maintain oil at 350 degrees F and cook each donut 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown, flipping gently. For baked donuts, bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until springy and a toothpick comes out clean. Cool slightly, then dip in glaze, dust with powdered sugar, or sprinkle cinnamon sugar while still warm for the best finish. Serve immediately for optimal texture, and enjoy the tangy yogurt contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.